It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas talking, they not with this shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit. And I just blew a bag on my bitch. You got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money, that's some type of myth. I can blind you, bitch, look at the wrist. For that bag, and I might take a risk. Don't get crushed, cause you care about a bitch. Pass the Henny, I'm tryna get lit. Tryna get out my body and shit. Fuck around and start bodying shit. Remember nights we was starving and shit. You my brother, I got you, that's it. We can never fall out by the bitch. We was swimming with sharks and them fish. In the field with them lions and pitch. Sweaty niggas be lying and shit. Talking money, don't buy their own shit. Baby mothers be buying them shit. You not lit, you depend on the bitch. Swear to God, man, I'm clever as shit. Still can trap any weather I'm in. Throw me working, I'm making it flip. With a whipping, you might just get sick. Throw me extra, you know we gon' win. Getting money, I've been doing this. Since a youngin', I've been had to drip. Make a movie, not talking a clip. It's lit.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Carl and today kita ada Honda Civic Type R GT tahun 2008 or with code name FN2R, and this model based on the 8th gen Civic in European market. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. The lucky subscriber akan dapat topi Mercedes ni for free. Subscriber yang ke 10,000, so come on guys, like and share. So, hari ni special sikit, new segment. Kereta depan kita ni bukan saja nak buat review, tapi kereta ni juga up for sale. Yes, you heard it right. To begin with, kereta ni manufactured pada tahun 2008 and registered in 2010. Dan kereta ni dibuat di UK. Honda produce FN2R ni memang untuk European market. So from side view, you boleh nampak hatchback body style with 3 doors. So, untuk luaran kereta ni, owner banyak maintain stock item. Ada certain item yang kita boleh tengok kat sini, antaranya this Mugen carbon spoiler ni. Okay, take note, spoiler ni replica version. Original spoiler customer akan bagi. So, from the back, kereta ni nampak garang with the spoiler together with the twin exhaust. I kinda like it. Untuk lampu belakang, you boleh nampak style dia similar to previous model, which is the Civic Type R EP3. Well, ada yang suka dan ada yang benci jugalah. But for me, I suka. Nampak special, lain daripada lain sikit. Okay, untuk side view pula, nothing much different except for these Mugen fenders. Okay, you dapat kiri dan kanan. Alright, fender ni buat nampak kereta ni lebih bulky and aerodynamic. Untuk front look, lampu depan nampak lebih kecil sikit untuk menampakkan sleek design dia. Kalau kita lihat, it has similar look dengan Honda Accord Euro CL7. As for the rims, owner maintain original rim but painted with gunmetal black. As for the size, 225 18-inch with 40 series with 300mm ventilated disc brake. So, that's all for exterior. Now jom kita lihat interior dia. Okay guys, inilah dia interior untuk Civic Type R FN2R ni. Honda memang tak pernah fail lah untuk design cockpit dia untuk Type R model. Everything in black and red for sporty look. Memang masuk-masuk je you confirm nak race lah. Okay, kita masuk dalam and start the engine. So this is the first Type R model offer push start button. So center console, you ada multifunction display together with your aircon controller. Untuk GT model, you dapat dual zone aircon. So in terms of transmission, this FN2R has 6-speed manual gearbox with Mugen gearknob and Mugen short shifter. So ni owner bagi sekali lah. Okay, and nothing much. Okay, ni steering wheel for FN2R. Similar to most of current Honda model, you boleh control your audio, cruise control and some other stuff kat sini. So you boleh tengok dalam kereta ni, well maintained by the owner. Tak ada koyak-koyak, tak ada kopak-kopak or anything. So, apa lagi you dapat if you beli kereta ni? Alright, seat belts customer dah tukar tu color, red color. Roof lining pun dah tukar warna hitam. So nampak clean and premium. At the back, you dapat this J's Racing room bar for better handling and cornering. Seat belakang full Alcantara, red and black. Bersih yang tak ada koyak-koyak. And steering wheel, owner dah wrap with leather and put red lining. Baru lah style. Okay, now kita tengok engine dia pula. Okay guys, inilah dia engine FN2R, the legendary K20 engine. It's a 2.0 iVTEC engine. So untuk kereta ni, you akan dapat J's Racing strut bar, K&N drop-in air filter, and 4-to-1 super circuit custom full exhaust system. Sebab ni, you boleh dengar bunyi kereta ni berlemak sikit lah instead of bunyi perang. In terms of performance, this car produced 198 brake horsepower with 193 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 in 6.8 second. Top speed about 235 km/h. Kejap lagi kita tengok. Boleh tak cecah 235? Okay, sekarang kita dah ada dalam kereta ni. Let's drive this car. So untuk suspension kereta ni, this car comes with BC Racing BR Type RA adjustable coilover untuk handling yang lebih power. Yeah, let's try it. Woo! Nice. Alright, we are heading to Lekas Highway as usual. Okay, beautiful day today at Eco Majestic. Weather is good. So, you boleh dengar VTEC masuk 5,500. Bunyi VTEC buka. So, this car owner memang fill up with Ron 97 petrol je. So, in terms of fuel consumption, full tank dalam RM120 boleh dapat dalam 450 km. Not bad lah. Okay, come on. Come on, Type R. Let's do it. 235. Can we do it? Can we do it? Come on, Type R. 235, 236, 237, and 238. Alright, I think that's all for today. Top speed 238 on Lekas Highway. Soundproofing memang terbaik kereta ni. Dah cecah 200 plus pun tak ada bunyi. Mileage pun baru about 75,000. Good car to buy guys, seriously. Owner nak jual pun dalam 80,000. Seriously boleh consider if you're looking to upgrade or nak simpan satu sports car kat rumah. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching guys. If siapa-siapa berminat, boleh DM me on my Instagram CarLevoAMG. Harga of course kita boleh bincang. Nanti sebut je CarLevoAMG, maybe boleh dapat ke diskaun. Okay, and kepada siapa nak I review or nak I tolong jualkan ke, boleh juga DM on my Instagram. Hope kita jumpa lagi on my next video. Thank you for all your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe and get the free cap guys. 10,000 subscriber. Come on. Okay. Before we end, kita test lagi. Woohoo. Okay guys, Assalamualaikum and jumpa lagi. Bye bye.